Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start without delay. Confirm both screens are powered and cables snug so Windows detects them. Once done, right-click the desktop and open Display Settings. Hit Identify to see which monitor is 1 or 2. Make sure you're on the correct display tile. This matters because the next steps affect only the chosen screen. You're not changing hardware. You're telling Windows to stop sending output to one display, so pick the screen you want to keep active now. Now select the tile that represents the monitor you want to disable, because that choice tells Windows where to stop sending video. Under Multiple Displays, use the drop-down and pick Show Only on 1 or Show Only on 2 as appropriate. Once you apply, the other monitor goes dark because Windows routes output exclusively to the chosen screen. As a faster option, press Win+P and choose PC Screen Only or Second Screen Only to switch projection modes instantly. This is the same command made quick. Finish by clicking Apply and Confirm within the countdown. Check resolution and orientation so your remaining screen looks correct. If the disabled monitor comes back after a reboot, open Device Manager, expand Monitors, right-click the unwanted device and disable or uninstall it. Windows will stop driving that output. Make sure graphics drivers are current. If problems persist, reboot and reapply the Show Only option. This resolves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.